I came from Syria. Like, from Syria we travelled to Lebanon and we came on a plane to here. We were like the last few people to come here before the airport was like gone. I felt the same love I've had back in my home, like from the people, and like everyone's been so kind and helpful. And
Talbot is a very depressing place at times. They do things that you just don't do. Some guy, he pulled up grass and started chewing on it. I swear to God.
I think me wanting to pursue an acting career started when I was younger, and we went to see a show and I was like, oh wow, that looks amazing, I want to do that. It's just like quite a theatrical area.
We're in Swansea right now for the Winter Wonderland, but there's no Walsall there, so it was a bit tamping for me because I'm normally working on the Walsall. Well, I was spinning a car and I smacked the car on my ribs. I broke my ribs. I've come off the Walsall and fractured my wrist, and then I've come off the Walsall again and fractured my elbow. But this year I'm working on the Ferris wheel, and that's a hell of a job to pull down. Well, the steelworks make steel, and it's a big thing of Talbot. If we didn't have the steelworks, Talbot would just be like a dead zone.
It produces a lot of pollution. It makes like everything really dusty and dirty, and it's not very nice to see.
I don't wonder. I mean, I'm going to die either way, and if it pollutes Port Talbot, I'm going to be gone before it pollutes it too bad. So. Where people live in Margam, and the steelworks smell goes over and it stinks Margam out.
it's like not the fire you would expect at a small, nice camp. It's like really bad smelling fire.
Who is Banksy?
Well, he's a famous artist. And he came to Talbot in Taibach just to do a painting on someone's garage. And now he's called famous.
Do you think Banksy's like good or not?
Well, he could be good with his paintings, but he's vandalising people's property, which is not good. And
Yeah, but he's doing them a favour because those paintings sell for millions. Not millions, but good bit of money, like, you know what I mean?
If I had a lot of money, I would like build a flying city. So I've always had a dream of having like a floating city or a flying city, like because you can always protect like animals that are about to be extinct or something, and like you can have growing plants. You can grow plants up there. It's like an area where you can protect something and no pollution. You can always depend on somewhere safe you can go to. It's just a very nice idea that I've always dreamed of.
The Golden Breadcrumbs Beach. Cold breeze, salt and fish and chips smell. People playing, waves like fire, footballs flying. The one strikes and casts the spell. Go away to all the litter and pollution that is making it ugly. I am proud to see the beach clean and lit up, and the shining starfish and crabs and the fish popping up and glowing in the dark. I'm a happy breadcrumb follower.